If you want to learn how we made these awesome customized graphic sweatshirts, stay tuned and join us in our sublimation party as we show you how to make your own custom gear. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trader DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be having a sublimation party. We're going to be sublimating 4 different sweatshirts with 4 different types of graphics. So this one is a black and white contrast. This one is a cute, very cute dandelion heart image. Remember to always mirror your images. And this one is a SF Warriors, kind of play on the design, little abstract SF Warriors design. And where is your last one? Oh, I think you're prepping it. This one? Oh, this one, here we go. And this one again, I made a video on this graphic using printable vinyl. This time it's going to be sublimation. So this one's going to have colors on them, so you can see some colored images on the sub and some black and white images. Not white because you can't sublimate white. But anyways, today my sister will be making everything. I've taught her everything I know and she is now a professional. So, did you just lint rolled?
Yeah.
Okay. So remember to always lint roll. I have my heat tape here. It's already prepped. We have the lint roll. And we have the butcher paper ready. Did you put a piece of butcher paper on the mat?
Yes, I did.
Is the mat in between the sweater layers? Okay, perfect. See, professional guys.
It should be this way, right?
Yes, upside down. Yes. Did you do the fold in the middle crease method?
I did.
Awesome. See, she knows. She knows what she's doing.
I don't want to be yelled at.
That's right. I will yell at her if she does something wrong. I don't know. You did the crease in the middle. You should know. But yeah, we have the Cricut Easy Press 2 all the way back here, back there, set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds, my go-to temperature for sublimation. And like she said, she's already prepped the pressing mat.
Oops, hold on.
Yeah, I forgot where we were, but okay, yeah, everything's prepped. Press it. Okay, lined up exactly where you want it?
Hopefully.
Is your image the right side up, not upside down or anything?
No.
I didn't look. Did you check?
Nope. It's good.
Okay,
Ready?
alright. And my sister's very tiny and skinny, so push with all your might. Yeah,
Trying.
as hard as you can. Okay, in 60 seconds, we'll be right back. Okay, so she forgot to tape it down, so hopefully it didn't ghost on her. Fold that in half with the ink sides touching each other. Okay, there we go. Right, yeah.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, be careful. Just peel up really quick. Woo! Very nice.
What is this?
What is it?
Oh, there was a dot on here.
Oh, well, you didn't check your graphic.
Why was there a dot here, though?
I don't know. That's just a graphic that you gave me.
Okay.
Oh, well. Sorry. You got a dot. You got a dot. But yeah, it looks good otherwise. Super clean. Where's the dot?
Like right here. Because there's a dot on the paper.
Yeah, shoot.
I was like, what is this?
Alright, so always check your images before you press, guys.
Also, it does look gray on here, though. See here, it looks purple.
Yeah, looks good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, yep, clean. Nice, except for that dot. I can't see it though, but it's there.
You see when it's enlarged, right?
Yeah, when I zoom, I can see. Oh no, I still can't.
Kind of away from the image.
Yeah, still looks good though. Nice job. Please change your paper, even if you think you don't see ink. There's ink on there, believe me. Okay, and this time, like I notice I make the most mistakes when I'm rushing. So make sure you kind of have a checklist and you do everything. And take your time. Sublimation is like a calming craft. You shouldn't rush it, otherwise you'll mess up and get upset.
Well, we didn't rush it. It just had a black dot.
Yeah, well, did you check this image to make sure there's no stray dots on there?
My image never had it. It was the same image.
I don't know. Well, but the printout, check your printout first. And if there's anything that you don't want on there, you can just cut it off, you know?
I know. know, but I'm saying, how come it had a dot?
I don't know.
Same image
You checked it, right? I don't know why it was there. Maybe till someone touched the screen. I don't know.
You were doing the editing.
I don't know. I didn't edit that one. Remember?
Yeah, you did.
No, I did. That one I didn't edit it. Not today.
Not today, because it was already pre-edited last
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So how come there wasn't a dot last time?
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know. Anyways. So here's the next sweater. Oh, I forgot to mention these are what? Gildan 50/50s? So 50% cotton, 50% poly.
50/50.
Yeah. Polyester.
Size small.
Size small. Okay, move the mat towards the table
Yes.
so you don't have to lean over so much.
Now.
Okay.
Make sure it's more centered.
Yeah, and also keeps it aligned so you know it's horizontally correct. Good, always let go. Awesome. So this is kind of like what, a medium gray color?
Yeah, it's not a dark charcoal, it's like a medium charcoal.
I think sublimation should work. We're gonna find out. So this is gonna be a yellow and black design.
Okay, so this one has little dots here. I'm gonna cut it off.
Okay, that's not part of the design?
No.
Okay. Yeah, cut it off. Whatever you don't want pressed, make sure you just cut it off if your printout came out a little wonky. Oh, maybe it was my printer. Because why does that one have dots and then?
Yeah, it had a dot on the bottom.
Yeah, and the other one had a dot too. Maybe it's my printer.
Maybe. I'll blame your printer instead
Yeah,
of blaming me.
yeah. Blame the printer. What are you doing?
The Warriors one.
No, but why are you getting paper already?
Because I'm gonna flip it.
Did you even fold it in the middle to find the center?
I'm a good
You're
eyeballer.
skipping steps, man. That's how you mess up. I'm telling you.
I didn't mess up though. I'm a good eyeballer.
You also have to turn it upside down.
I know, but I just want to measure here first. Relax.
Just don't want you to mess up your prints since these aren't even for yourself.
Don't trip. I got this. I'm good at eyeballing. Center
Okay.
and that is perfection. I don't even need tape, but since I already cut it,
Yes. You should always use tape. You think you don't need it until the one time you mess up and you like move and then you jack
That
up your
one I
whole
missed.
sweater.
move it down
Yep.
because it's easier.
Mm-hmm. All right, 60 seconds. We'll be back when it's up. Okay.
6, 5.
All right, let's see what it looks like. Always fold your paper with the ink side facing each other. That way, in case you really run out of the paper, you need to reuse something or repress something, you can use the outsides and the ink will be on the inside. It shouldn't leak through. All right, peel off the tape. Ooh, did it turn out good?
Actually, it looked more yellow than it was on here.
It looks good. Oh, because sublimation with the printout is always more dull.
Oh, yeah. That looks
Until
good.
it gets activated when it's pressed.
That looks
Yeah,
good.
not bad, not bad.
Yeah, good.
You are a quick learner. That is nice and centered too. All right, now we're going to be doing a dandelion on a white sweatshirt, right? These are really cute graphics. I did not design these, by the way. These are just ones she found somehow. But yeah, very cute. Okay, inserting the mat in between the layers of the sweatshirt. Alright, lint rolling.
Good thing is these sweatshirts don't really have a lot of anything. A lot of stuff that
But you pre-washed it, didn't you?
only this one.
Okay, sometimes like when they come from the factory direct, like there's a lot of lint on there. It just depends.
No, I didn't wash any of those.
Oh.
Those aren't mine.
You should probably move your mat down first. Yeah. Just line it up with the table so when you line it, you know it's straight. Okay, doing the middle fold method. This is what, your second time sublimating?
Third.
Third, okay.
Because the second time was when I did the vinyl.
The second time was mostly vinyl. I don't remember you doing sublimation.
Okay, maybe then. Well, this is the third time I'm making stuff.
Yeah, but last time was just vinyl, right?
Yeah, I think because it took all that time to just make one. Right?
Yeah.
Or was there something else?
Was there sublimation? I feel like you did something else. Well, anyways, you're really good for just starting out.
Okay, I think that's straight.
Okay. Yeah. All right, 60 seconds on the clock. We'll be right back.
2, 1.
Did you tape this one? Did you tape this one? Okay. Ooh.
Because the whole pattern was kind of like fuzzy wuzzy.
Was it? Was it fuzzy?
A little bit. It's still cute.
I like it. I like this. This is nice. Very nice. Okay. On to the next and last one. Already changed the paper mat and you pre-linted. And now you're just going to check your image, make sure there's no dots. Okay.
No dots.
Middle fold method. Ink face down. Did you pull the mat down to the edge of the table?
Okay, I want to make sure the picture is all in the mat. Since I have 2 more pieces of tape. Okay, ready to go?
Okay. All right, 60 seconds. We'll be back. Already changed the paper mat and you pre-linted. And now you're just going to check your image, make sure there's no dots. Okay.
No dots.
Middle fold method. Ink face down. Did you pull the mat down to the edge of the table?
Okay, I want to make sure the picture is all in the mat. Since I have 2 more pieces of tape. Okay, ready to go?
Okay. All right, 60 seconds. We'll be back.
1.
Okay.
Ooh, this one looks
Wow, very nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, good job. Awesome. Was that easy?
I like this one better than that one for some reason.
Really?
I think it's because that one is less like
The image? Let me see.
It's the square that makes.
What square? I don't see a square.
See it.
How could there be a square? There's no white ink. There was no ink on the edges.
I don't know. Maybe you just has to blend it out.
Well, maybe when you wash it, it'll be better. But
It's fine.
yeah. I think they're both cute. I think all of them are very cute. All right, should we do a final lookbook of all the ones you made? I'll be right back. Yeah. Okay, here are the final results of our sublimation party today. All 4 sweatshirts, beautifully done by my sister. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let us know which one is your favorite down in the comment box down below. And maybe I can send you the designs. You can make one yourself. Who knows? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to thumbs up this video, ring the notification bell, press that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!